Hi, and welcome to Know Your Rights. My name is Chris Fisher, and this video is part of a series on divorce in association with Curry Law Group. We're going to specifically focus in on a judge's impact on your case. And today from Curry Law Group, we have Louis Lazaro. How are you, sir?
Doing great, Chris. Thank you.
Thank you for being here. All right, let's start right at the top. Who is the judge in my case, and can I pick him or her?
Well, Chris, unfortunately, you can't. Judges are picked randomly, depends on where you live, what courthouse they're at, and also depends on which judge is up for obtaining a new case. It's very random, so there's no picking your judge.
What about once I'm in court and I'm in front of the judge, how should I act? Is it okay to be casual? You know, when I'm watching TV, you know, granted these are criminal situations, but you see people acting dressed all certain ways and acting and addressing the judge in all certain ways.
Well, I usually advise my clients to dress professionally, and if you have an attorney, let the attorney address the judge, and don't you intercede when they're talking. But there is a certain decor, and we do tell that to our clients to prepare them to appear in a professional manner. You do want to dress up in professional attire. Suit and tie is always recommended, but if you can't or don't have a suit, that's fine. Just bring in a tie and a nice shirt, nice slacks, but present yourself as you would in any professional setting. For example, if you're going to a business meeting or something like that. But you do want to have the judge take notice that you are being respectful to him and his courtroom.
What if you don't like the judge? What if there's just something about he or she that just you don't have a good feeling about? Can you ask for a different judge?
Well, under the law, there is a motion for recusal of a judge. However, there's very specific requirements for that. Just because you don't like your judge is not a good cause or reason to have that judge removed from your case. But if you feel that you may have some facts in support of that, you should consult with an attorney to determine whether or not you have a viable motion to have him recused. Judges are supposed to be fair and they're supposed to be neutral. And if you don't like them, that's not really a reason why you want a judge removed.
Now, from what I understand, lawyers can have relationships with judges, sometimes outside of work. Do you try to find a lawyer that knows the judge that has your case? Is that even a thing?
Chris, unfortunately, that too is more of a myth. All attorneys have a professional relationship with judges. We're all members of the Florida Bar. We do go to trainings mutually together and some events that are for the Florida Bar functions, and judges are there. But most of that is just an exchange of information, an exchange of the law. But judges don't take favoritism towards any particular attorney. The attorneys that are there do get to learn about the particular likes and dislikes of judges inside courtrooms, and it does assist us in presenting cases. And so my firm has been Mr. Curry has been practicing for 30 years. I've been practicing for 20 years. We have had a great reputation in the legal community, and when we go to court, we present our cases tailored towards the judge's particular likes and dislikes on handling their courtroom.
Well, I hope this video has given you some insight into a judge's impact on your case, especially when it comes to family law. And I want to thank you, sir, for coming in today.
Thank you, Chris.
If they want to track you down at Curry Law Group, how do they do that?
They can call our phone number at 813-653-2500. That's 813-653-2500.
Louis Lazaro, thank you.
Thank you, Chris.
And thank you for being a part of Know Your Rights.